Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and playing any video. This triggers the controls you need. Once playing, move your cursor or tap the screen to reveal the player bar, then locate the mini player button, usually a small rectangle with a play icon. If you don't see it, make sure the app or browser is updated and you're signed into your account, because versions and sign-in state affect feature availability. Now press the mini player icon to shrink the video into the corner. Once the mini player is active, you can drag it to any corner for unobstructed viewing while you browse. Make sure to test the tap behavior. A single tap typically restores the full player, while controls like play/pause, timeline, captions, and volume appear within the mini UI. Use them to manage playback without leaving your current page. If you need precise seeking, open full player and seek. Otherwise, quick jumps work fine in the mini view. Keep watching to finalize settings. To finish, check settings. On mobile, enable picture-in-picture or allow overlay permissions so the mini player stays visible. On desktop, confirm browser or YouTube settings permit picture-in-picture. Once done, test with another video to ensure persistence. If the mini player fails, restart the app or browser, clear cache, and make sure extensions aren't blocking overlays. One troubleshooting tip: if PyP never appears, verify your operating system's PyP permissions. Granting them usually resolves the issue quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.